Binance Coin created a triangle shape and threatened to break out upward. However, the failure of BNB purchasers to defend the $320 support level 10 days ago demonstrated that sellers were gaining control. At the time of writing, the price appeared to be stuck above a strong psychological support level. However, the construction of a range may not occur, and BNB may be forced to fall below $300 once more, as Bitcoin also demonstrated bearish strength. On the shorter timeframes, the $315 and $300 levels of resistance and support, respectively, have been significant. BNB has fallen from the previous day's highs of $316.30 to trade at $308.50 at the time of writing. The price of BNB at the same period last week was $314.58. It has moved minus 1.87% in the last week and is now trading at $309.28. In reality, BNB has dropped by minus 0.44% in the last 24 hours. The cryptocurrency market is slightly negative. Long-term sentiment remains positive, and BNB might reach $490.92 in 2024. As of the time of writing, the total circulation supply of BNB was $157,886,280, and the market capitalization of BNB was $48,814,018,487. BNB's long-term pricing prediction takes a look at BNB's pricing prospects in the future. BNB recently traded at $309.28, with a market capitalization of $48,814,018,487 and trading volume of $376,029,518. BNB price prediction is possible by examining past price action, present trends, and community social attitude. On the 6-hour chart, the RSI was unable to rise above neutral 50, indicating the bear's persistence. The trade volume has also been low during the last week. This occurred at the same moment that BNB retested the $300 level, which is psychologically and technically significant. With Bitcoin rejecting from beneath the $27,800 resistance on Monday, it appeared that the crypto market might suffer further losses this week. If Binance Coin falls below the $295 to $300 level, the Fibonacci extension levels reveal some critical regions to watch. BNB Price Forecast 2023. According to our calculations, the price of BNB in 2023 should vary between $352.16 and $528.24, with an average price of $440.20. BNB Price Projection 2024. According to our estimate, the price of BNB in 2024 should vary between $327.28 and $490.92, with the average price being around $409.10. BNB Price Forecast 2025. According to our calculations, the price of BNB in 2025 should vary between $422.19 and $633.28, with an average price of $527.74. BNB Price Projection 2026. According to our estimate, the price of BNB in 2026 should vary between $544.62 and $816.94, with an average price of $680.78. BNB Price Forecast 2027. According to our study, the price of BNB in 2027 should vary between $702.57 and $1,053.85, with an average price of $878.21. BNB Price Forecast 2028. According to our estimate, the price of BNB in 2028 should vary between $906.31 and $1,359.47, with an average price of roughly $1,132.89. The 50% and 61.8% extension levels would almost certainly be tested if the price fell below $295, with the 23.6% level at $289 also serving as minor support. In the meanwhile, a break above $316.30 would indicate a break in the bearish market structure. Buyers could then begin to impose their influence, although this was the least likely outcome, according to Coinalyze statistics. Despite Binance Coin's surge from $300 on May 12, the open interest remained unchanged. Even as BNB prices climbed, the OI began to fall after May 12, indicating that short positions were being liquidated. In late April, the financing rate was considerably negative, and it did not rebound in May. This demonstrated that the majority of the market remained pessimistic. Binance Coin was anticipated to suffer greater losses as a result of the adverse market movement. The current price of Bitcoin is $27,362.29, with a 24-hour trading volume of $14.53 billion. BTC has gained 1.03% in the previous 24 hours. News about cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and Ethereum surged alongside cryptocurrency prices during a volatile trading day on Wednesday. BTC is still hovering around $27,000, unable to recapture its April high of $30,000. Nonetheless, Bitcoin is off its 2-month lows from Friday. Bitcoin rallied near $27,300 late Wednesday after hitting an intraday low of $26,580, barely above its 2-month low of $26,300 set on Friday. Bitcoin is still falling from its April 14 high of $31,019, its highest level since last June. BTC has lost additional ground since May 5, when a transaction delay forced the price to fall on May 8. So far this year, the world's largest cryptocurrency has fallen about 63%. Ethereum was trading about $1,820 late Wednesday, up from a low of $1,785 in the morning. Ethereum reached a high of $2,139 on April 16, its highest valuation since last May, and broke beyond the $2,000 barrier for the first time in nearly a year on April 13, following the Shanghai upgrade to a proof-of-stake network. The number 2 cryptocurrency is up roughly 52% year-to-date. Investments in digital assets are particularly volatile. While the fundamentals and technical indicators of cryptocurrency may change, investors should focus on the same main objectives. First, protect yourself by learning when to sell, cut losses, or profit. Second, be ready to profit if the coin begins to recover. Despite their original promise, cryptocurrencies have not served as inflation hedges. Instead, they've followed the larger indexes. To keep up with daily market movements, read the Big Picture and Market Pulse. During its strong start to the year, Bitcoin has continued to establish new 10-month highs. Bitcoin momentarily surpassed $30,600 on Thursday, reaching its highest level since June 8. Meanwhile, following its Shanghai upgrade to a proof-of-stake system, Ethereum